All right, wisdom for yen church will be ana yes and some more once again. And Fambra Madiba official no so na and essence da for kra yatna see the latest edition of the show no Eddie Bremona and never heard the CAF Confederation Cup Kotoko Ecobo return encounter all the way Cote d'Ivoire against San Pedro no na first leg no city him that and obianim dada no kotoko etna Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium at a key a late penalty from Nabi Keita Lai and Sana Krobia Asande kotoko metema it me I win that game no entine sa game never heard the wait for the second leg no nema other kotoko any the weak points I was San Pedro team as a coach I find the Kyoto Zacharias and then Mantiano or more corrected some of the attempts on me in the first leg. A bit more to quote my qualifier. Yes, SM1 say, Madama say, Mon subscribe Mbeka, Madiba official, no one subscribe because the Madiba official day. You make sure say the latest around the world of sports no set me can near so far as out here no and yadi Emma sounds soon idea games in Atujano. It sounds Emma highlight and some of the key aspects of the game no. Need to make sure say on San Eka Ewo channel we so subscribe here na what subscribe edem wadauma channel no etimi ako nanim ewo nti Krobia Asante Kotoko ene San Pedro first leg ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium Kotoko try as they can again my ball 2 days first half on your ball no nanu kosiada Emma game no ende no na obia antimi ahye because nsu etimi eto say now we that first half now I was talking with one of the pundits and I make a chom say we had the kotko in the first half now they couldn't have done better but it was a day one hard luck played a part in kotoko so antimi ahye go no number 2 goalkeeper Tratapi no them Edema Boboku I say San Pedro no on also enya a good day in office ntina ma ne she ayedin and ora branche no ne reflexes we agile bibia modern day goalkeeper obia no abranche no ewobi ntina na ebe din zakot ko betimi abiti no bibia na eba bia no otimi epari be second half na e course na na ejuada no and I had a coach Kel Zacharias and the Mantiano. My name Sempe for Benomo Ebuno, so no nim dia. Say, come at the Senia, yen fine semi nere, endidi. Though Nagotko Enya goes in order for them, say, or make me, I take advantage of their home ground on the camp of the first leg. Eddie Akopim or San Pedro. And so then Nico say or more a game Nasiana or more air panicky. Other pressure almost so almost shot them a balloon the ball no. Any ball is him. So you think that yes sir. The challenge say opponent always know on your possession of the ball because Oba a 50-50 ball because area ball there we bet my winning or winning no any shots on the counter breaks and in this on the Sunday no one of the counter breaks bringing out a magnificent save from Felix Ananti say wadama onhu sa save now we call channel no wa was a bit markers sa save now Felix and on Sunday 18 hour our channel we so and ne Monday so almost sounds a ball on the counter breaks and come Eddie Pegosa Prof legacy on their part a wastefulness and ma book say San Pedro anya we go answer kotko 18 enya the last goal any Kotko Eko PM or Cote d'Ivoire. Yena Yenim and Sema Eko so San Pedro and paying for any supporters war Cote d'Ivoire as is a Kotko Eba. Although making sure to retaliate, Nema Kotko Ewo Kumas Baba Sports Stadium. No. And for me, some of the things we want to mark Kotko pay for no. Also going forward, also with me one supporters in new point. Say Omitimisi Parkers number 2 PRO. We a PRO of the team. And you will journalists say park and yetimi emwa. We see park no ball and the pempem park no say yetimi no that's not your work. That's the duty of the officials. A buy so betting away. Say game yet me a mono meeting. I'll call it off for another day. And they San Pedro for me, they have no case. Could compare for all those send me because most of them are near some sea park, but never did I see anybody say will be Elton and send their Bobby and I will be ASA. And to make us almost every retaliated by making sure say almost everybody could support us any could team number PM or could one any. For me, it's neither here nor there. Or more file and to change. No more concentrating on the field of play. We are not living in isolation. Unlike at first, now they in check camera, not African football. Camera beer in you want to be enter nay. They chat. I be beer, could be beer because we are in a global village. And the obey beer will be 8 million. And it's almost a baby beer on the field of play. They take advantage of the home ground, almost winning fairly. Say a combination of winners winning very well. They never get to so much maybe. No man team I understand. One their team can be forfeited, can be taken out of the CAF Confederation Cup. You will be said to Ismail Mo, or they say Sanctuary Stadium by Ismail Mo. You may feel because of the supporters' violence and the mom iron yet you may feel more. Into a won't forget our dad. Because compare for the Tomo Con, they shouldn't be intimidated by that thing. They should make sure say they will do their necessary corrections. I've been saying it or this on each and every platform and say Kotko team no for me only say is a matter of say on mindset no on befanti no because for a team walk out 2 away games in Africa and in both games now consider 3 goals there so only 1 goal and echo pin warrior it means ehu and the court commented and say on betting I shot the back line ye. And coach educated Zakaria said, Emmanuel Jimambadu and Pem Da Costa, as good as they may be, played from the right football position, they are not good surging forward, marauding down the flanks. And in modern day football, you need such fullbacks in order to put pressure on the wingers and the fullback of your opponent. And who had the first leg now? They are the Emmanuel Jimambadu 18 and my manager if you know because they born now no obia obetimi will happen with that ransom. Not the born to answer on obetimi on us here as a decoy. And the Janitine coach ever tells Zakaria saying, or whether that correction or betimi. And for me, while Adams on Feta, he shouldn't play a part in this game. He should go into this game with players that are fit because with San Pedro team now Baba Yara Sports Stadium, they are a team who say when they are on the board technically they are good. You go see say they are a team that's well coached. Who say tactically and everything technically coach and the team no so. And the coach gets Zakaria and then the man to the air corner. They should make sure some bad discipline and a 1 goal lead out the copy or away in African football for me is not something I also got compete with the team. And that's what I can say on film Debbie. Yeah, why that athletic club or did 2-1 home lead. Now single solitary goal na Mamelodi Sundowns Masanda Wana. Enya or the Lucas Masterpieces Moripe Stadium. 20 South Africa and so when me anya o defend gallantly it me enya draw game at the qualifier and the court everything I side there and I'm more corner they shouldn't rely on that 1 goal and get on the counter breaks. Yeah, no matter how good a boxer may be. So no man the trade pim when you now on my team they shouldn't sit deep, they should play their game, they should beat themselves and take the game to San Pedro. They should forget the fact someone airball away on the field of play and try to take the game to San Pedro. And for me, if they take the game to San Pedro, it will let them reassess their tactics and everything. Because me assess their partying and everything. Now, be our coach even get Zakaria and the backroom staff is so fine to new Manteno. Mama who say, yeah, quite way now you lose, you quite a best air draw starting from the Premier League. Now, yeah, man, you know, PMO NC tier 1 competition tier 2, and the PMO the CAF Confederation Cup now. And that dear also to me at also, name making sure say we will fine tune our inner self. The team that played against Cotton Sport, Omoko all the way to Cameroon. I got shown by 3 goals to no. They should bring that team on board. And for me, Kotko team no, I want that thing in them. Mount Air Castle Kotko team where the quality is not as good as last time around. Granted, but this a team I've seen a lot of team in African football. And as you all know, I being the king of African football, I follow African football to the marrow, to the latter, called the All Seychelles. I've been following all the teams, and you cannot tell me, say, some of the teams in the Confederation Cup have better squad than Kotoko. No. Kotoko in a coaching to drill them in order to take them to the right direction. And San Pedro team, their strongest asset for me is their defense and their goalkeeper. That first leg, or Modemel Konkai and OS Kwame Ejina Chirono, Christian Kwame Ejina Chirono, no Modemo Eko and Kai in the first leg. Second leg, and try to take the game to them. And for me, they'll be able to get an away goal. And if they get an away goal earlier on, to me, Amma San Pedro for a BM so we are pacing wingers. Emmanuel James Mu Ewanamo, Matthew Kelly Andom Ewanamo, Augustine Okramina. Players can take advantage of it and make sure that Kotoko able to make identity. Coach Zakaria and for me, so we follow this partner. Yada Kotoko able to edit Kundia Bagana. Now the money zone of the Cup Confederation Cup no. Kotoko Etmago PM said last year. Kotoko Ego PM one minute. Wada must subscribe and become a Dibabusi Kunua. Now was subscribing the latest and every day no. The best are also with me at around the world of sports no. Yeah, the people also on Saint me can be now also otimi ene obusan for eno nam for 8 me eche inti yedasi. Bye bye.